Tonight's episode of The Greatest Show on Earth is brought to you by Kaiser Jeep Corporation, manufacturers of the Jeep Universal, versatile, powerful, virtually indestructible. The Jeep Gladiator, the beautiful brute. And the only family car that makes its own roads, the all-new Jeep Wagoneer with four-wheel drive power. And now, Freddie the Clown in How to Build a Truck. Part 1. Here's how some people build a pickup truck. They start with a two-wheel drive chassis. Then they clap on the body. Not bad, but now they change their minds. Decide to make it four-wheel drive. They jack it up to admit the front-end powertrain. Wow, too high here. Too high here. Too high here. Now look how the new Jeep Gladiator is built. Start with a four-wheel drive chassis. Put on the body and there you are. Designed and built for four-wheel drive all the way, with plenty of ground clearance too. The bed's low for easy loading. The hood's low, easy servicing. The cab's low, easy entry. Compare for yourself and you'll choose the one built from the ground up for four-wheel drive. The new Jeep Gladiator.